Imagine starting a YouTube channel from scratch, uploading just 4 videos, and suddenly reaching 1,000 subscribers and 1,300 watch hours in no time. That's exactly what happened to me. And today I'm going to tell you the secret behind this success, step by step. So if you've ever wanted, even just once, to start getting views and grow your channel quickly, believe me, this video will change the way you think about YouTube by 180 degrees. So stay with me until the end because I'm going to make a practical video with you from A to Z using the exact secrets that got me from here to there.
Anime summaries are currently trending everywhere, and every channel is reaching really good numbers after just a short period of time. And if we go on YouTube and search for anime summary, we'll find a ton of channels, and literally all of them are getting views. Like this channel, it reached 100,000 in just 2 days, and the videos hit 1 million, with one video reaching 600,000. And there are many other channels as well. So I thought, can I do the same and actually make a channel for anime summaries, and can I get views or not? So I started learning how to make anime summaries, but there was a problem, and its solution was difficult for me. Copyright issues when it comes to movie or anime content. The solution is well known, but it's really hard to implement, which is to take clips from the anime that don't exceed 3 seconds each, among many other things. And when I tried to do it before, after a lot of effort, I found that when the video was uploaded, the whole thing got hit with copyright claims. But then I found a much easier solution. Instead of making summaries for anime series, I could make summaries for manga or manhwa, and anime fans know exactly what I mean. It's basically just images, without any videos. And there are actually people who get really high views because it's the same idea. So I finally figured out the steps I need to take, which are as follows. First, create the channel. Second, make the logo. Third, write the anime summary script. Fourth, generate the voice using AI. And finally, do the editing. These are all the steps, and the first thing is the channel. I logged into an old email, clicked here, and created a channel. Then I went in to create a unique name for the channel. I wrote, generate 50 names for an anime summary channel on YouTube. I chose one of the names. After that, I wanted to make a logo. Then I wrote, create a visual explanation for a channel called Anime Time. Be creative and unique. After that, I chose an image from these images. And with that, I made the channel's logo and reached the most important thing, which is the keywords. The best program I use is, I logged in using the same email as the channel, went to the studio, clicked on settings, then channel, and then keywords. I opened another page to search for channels, took the keywords from their videos using the same program, and added them to mine. Then I copied the same description from another channel, pasted it into mine, edited it, and did the same thing for the videos. The second thing is the script. To create it, I searched for a good story from anime summaries on YouTube, then went to Google and got the manga for it. I opened a file on the right side of the screen and had the manga on the left. I started writing the story, like reading the first part and summarizing it and so on. I wrote 10 parts. After that, I made a folder with 3 files in it. A file for audio, a file for the script, and a file for the images. I put the script for each part in the script file. Then I went and downloaded each part and put it in its own folder by right-clicking on the image to download it, scrolling down a bit, downloading the next image, and so on until I finished all the images. Then I got to the most important part, which is the audio. So I went to 11 Labs, chose a good voice, wrote the script, and downloaded a voiceover for each part. After that, all that was left was the editing, so I opened CapCut and started by adding the audio first. I did this trick to make the audio less boring by removing the silent parts, then arranged them like this, and did the same for all the audio segments. Then I added the images in order according to each part. For example, for the audio of the first part, I went in and added the images for the first part in order, and so on until I finished. I put a simple transition between each image, and if I didn't do it, it wouldn't really make a difference. After that, I exported the video and uploaded it to the channel, making the title similar to several popular and trending videos summarizing the same anime. So that the keywords help the video reach people quickly, then I made the thumbnail using Photoshop by creating a thumbnail similar to another channel's. I made this simple thumbnail, uploaded the video, and right now the video has just been released.
And the first video reached exactly 6,300 views, and there was another one that reached 440,000. The second video I uploaded got 5,900 views and reached 130,000. And the last video I posted on the channel got 12,700 views, and it also reached 341,000. So at that point, I decided to upload another video, which was basically the last video I posted for the challenge, and it got 2,961 views and had reached 36,000. So if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.